Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to create a wishlist page and display all the wishlist items on that page. So let's get started. For this, we need two things. First of all, we need to create a JSON template in our templates folder. The second thing that we need to have is a section. Okay, first of all, let's create a section in our sections folder. The name of this section would be, let's say, wishlist.liquid. Okay, so the next thing, let's create a page template in the templates folder. Okay, so let's create a new file here. And the name of this file would be, let's say, page.wishlist.json. Okay, so let's open our page.json and copy this content and paste in the page.wishlist.json file. Okay, here in the type, we need to give the section that we have just created, which is wishlist. Okay, let's save this. Now, if you open your store backend, here you can see I have created a wishlist page. If we open this, and here you can get the wishlist page template. So you can save this. Now we can work on displaying the wishlist items on the wishlist page. So let's open our wishlist.liquid file. And the first thing that we need to do here is get the title. Okay, so let's do that. So here, if you can see, is if we go to the single product page, you can see we have the title here. So we can copy this code from product template. Let's say template product. You can see we have this code and we can use this code here. Okay, so here this would be page.title and you can link this to home page. Okay, so the next thing, let's create, let's see what else we have here. Okay, we can use this one also. Let's copy this and paste that here. Okay, so now let's create a div here. And in the div tag, let's create X data. So here we are going to create a getter. So let's say get items, and we are going to get the store items here. So let's do that. We can use return and use this $store wishlist item. Okay, so with this we are getting the wishlist item from our let's say this one. Okay, now let's give this div some classes. On desktop we are going to have 4 columns, and on mobile devices we will have 1 column. For that we can use grid calls 1 and md grid calls 4. Okay, now we have items here. We can create a loop and display all the product items here. To display the loop we can use template. So these templates in Alpine.js are used to conditionally render or repeat block of HTML based on data or store. We are using template because we are going to use loop here. Okay, we have multiple products here. That's why we are going to use template to display HTML conditionally or repeatedly. Okay, let's do that. Let's create X for here, and we can use here product of item. Okay, so we are getting this product from this item. Okay, so now we can get our HTML from our product card.liquid file. So let's get that. So we need to use actually same HTML. So let me copy this to here. So here we need to create, let's say, X data and use product items and pass here the current product in the loop. So this product item is here. Okay, so every time we loop through the product, we are creating product item and pass the current product in the loop to this product items. Now we can display our HTML here. So here in the product card, first we are displaying the product image. Okay, so let's do that. So we can copy this piece of code and paste that here and remove this one href, and we can bind this href with product dot the property that we created here, which is product URL. Okay, we can copy this and paste that here. Okay, for image, let me remove this one. We can bind source with, let's say, product dot image. Okay, so this one. Okay, so next we need the price. Okay, let me copy this and paste that here. Let me remove everything except h4. Okay, here instead of this price, we can get x, let's say, text, and pass product dot price. Okay, so the last thing that we need to have is product title and link that title to product URL. Okay, so here in the product card, we can copy this one and paste that here. And here we can use this one, product URL, and remove this one. And here we can use X text and pass product dot title. We can remove this one. I think this is good. Let's check that. Let me save this and let's go to the home page. So currently we have 4 product in the wish list. Let's navigate to pages /wish list. Okay, you can see we have our wish list items here. I think this is it. So we need a button here, remove product from the wish list here. So we can do that in the next video, and we will work on a single product page also. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.